into that sucker.
Hey, Granny, how about you make me a pie?
Poof, you're a pie.
Oh, come on, Granny. When was the last time you made me a pie?
I made you a pie last week.
Granny, it had strawberries in it. Okay? You know your grandson is deathly allergic to strawberries, right?
I still wish I'd have crammed it down your throat.
Granny, make me some pie.
You've never done anything for me, you little loser.
Please.
All you do is sit around my house, eating my food and using my electricity.
Yeah, that's what grannies are for.
No, grannies are for poning new.
Oh, here it is. Here it is. Granny, tell me something. Why do you hate me so much? Why are you treating me like this?
I just think you suck.
Thanks for making me a pie.
You're welcome.
Tastes real good.
You better enjoy it. It's strawberry.